you guys. We're gonna try to use printable heat transfer vinyl on faux leather today. No clue if it's gonna work. We're gonna try it. Let's see if it works. This video went up. You guys are watching it. So first we need to print our design. These are the designs I made right in Photoshop. I got all these images right off of Creative Fabrica. You guys know I always speak about Creative Fabrica. That's where I get most of my images. So I got all these clip arts from Creative Fabrica, and then I just put it together in Photoshop and created a seamless file. If you guys want to know how to create seamless files, let me know. I would do that for you because it's pretty easy. And so I have two different files, and these are just on a 8x5x11 canvas that I made, and then we're gonna go and print it. We are going to be printing this on dark transfer paper. So you're gonna go to File, Print. You're gonna select your printer. I'm using the Epson ET2720. Print settings, I'm using plain paper, standard vivid, and that's all you need. Just make sure your mirror is off, and then you're gonna just hit print. This is what it looks like once it's printed. I also already have my faux leather cut to size, as you guys see here. This is just white faux leather that I just got off of Amazon. It was like a roll of it. I will leave a link down below for you guys. You're also going to need a heat press. I have my heat press here. I am using my Cricut Easy Press just because it's easier. I do have a bigger heat press, but I don't feel like turning it on because it takes way longer to heat up. So what you want to do is you want to set your heat press to right under 300 degrees because faux leather can burn at 300 degrees. So I'm setting mine to 295 for 15 seconds. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just take our faux leather. You're gonna need one of these that come in with your paper. So this usually comes in your paper. I'm using this paper right here. This is just transfer paper, and it's for dark, and it's 8x5x11. I like to use this brand, or I also like to use the Avery brand. This is for my light fabric. So make sure you're using dark fabric because they are completely different. They print differently, you press them differently. This is a dark transfer paper right here. So we pretty much have to peel this whole design off of this back sheet here. So you usually would just find a corner, so I could do it, and start just like that. And then you're gonna peel the whole thing off. So I'm just gonna do this so I don't lay it down, just so I'm not stretching the actual printed film. And I'm sure you guys hear my lovely daughter in the back as she laughs. So we're gonna peel that all off. And then we are going to just take this and place it right over our faux leather. And then you are just going to take the sheet that comes with, let's see if I can move this over just a smidge. Okay, then you're gonna take your sheet that comes with your faux leather, place that on top. And for extra protection, I'm also gonna be using a piece of parchment paper, just like so. We're gonna take our heat press, and I'm just gonna press it in two sections and using firm pressure, and I'm doing 295, 15 seconds. And I'm just pressing down pretty firmly. And once it beeps, I'm gonna go to the next section. Alrighty, and then we're gonna go to the next section. And again, 295, 15 seconds. Alrighty, we're gonna see what it's looking like, see if it sticked. You might have to do it again. And it looks like it's actually sticking, you guys. Yes, it stuck pretty well. So in my faux leather doesn't look like it melted at all, so we're gonna actually do it again. I'm gonna just use the parchment paper now. Again, I'm just gonna do it again. 295, 15 seconds, firm pressure, just to really ensure it's really sticking to the faux leather. Alrighty. And then we're gonna take a look. And you guys, it totally worked. And here I'm just showing you guys that nothing is lifting. So that's a good sign, like it's really adhered to it. This part is just off the edge. So I'm not worried about that. But other than that, all the corners and all the things, they're pretty sealed. Nothing's lifting up. And look, now you guys could just make your own custom faux leather sheets now. And I'm going to be using this to make hair bows. But you could also use this technique to make like earrings. I see people make wristlets, whatever you can make faux leather with, you could use this for. So I'm going to be using this to make custom kids hair bows. So if you guys want to see how I do that, I'm going to be using my physics machine to cut this out. So if you guys want to see how I actually use that now, instead of trying to cut faux leather with my Cricut machine or my Cameo machine, then stay tuned, because I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below, and I will make sure to try my best to respond to everybody. And yeah, we'll have everything I use in this video linked down below for you guys as well, so you guys could get the right transfer paper or the one I use if you liked it. And also the faux leather, any faux leather will work. I would just say make sure it's not like glitter faux leather. We might try that as well to see if we could sublimate on glitter faux leather. Maybe that'll be a thing. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are almost at 10K, which is super excited. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.